Happy day, children. Welcome back to class 4 EVS session. Today we are going to learn an interesting lesson. You may be already familiar with this topic, air, water and weather. But come, let's explore together more on this topic. You would have learned about the importance of air and water and also what is weather in your lower classes. Have you ever wondered what is the sun's role in the weather of a place? How rain is formed? What is humidity and atmosphere? How does the wind blow? What is a water cycle? And why water needs to be purified and what are the methods of purifying water? You will find the answers for all these questions in this lesson. Weather. You would have heard in the weather forecast that today it might be a sunny day, windy day or a rainy day. What does all these refer to? These refers to the condition of the atmosphere at a particular time in a particular place. That is nothing but the weather. So what is weather? Weather is the condition of the air at the particular time based on how hot or cold, dry or rainy and calm and windy a place is. The heat of the sun causes winds to blow and also causes changes in the state of water. So, the changes in the condition of air and water together causes changes in weather. What is the sun's role in determining the weather of a particular place? The angle at which sunlight strikes the earth varies by location, time, etc. due to the earth's revolution around the sun and its rotation around its tilted axis. We have already learnt about the rotation and revolution of the earth around the sun and how the revolution causes seasons in our previous lesson, isn't it? So, as you know already, at and near the equator, the sun's rays hit the earth's surface almost vertically, almost all year long, and this causes hot climate in this area. Whereas near the poles, the sunlight hardly reaches, which causes the cold climate. So, the heat of the sun causes winds to blow, and the sun also changes the state of water in nature and causes humidity and rain. So, let's see in detail about this. Before that, what is humidity? And also, what causes winds to blow? The heat of the sun causes the winds to blow. When the air gets heated up due to the sun, it becomes lighter. And always the warm air is lighter and rises up. Cool air, which is heavier, then comes down to take its place. This movement of air causes winds to blow. As you can see in the picture, the solar radiation from the sun heats the earth. This heats the air above the earth, causing the lighter and hotter air to rise. Heavier cooler air then rushes in to take its place, causing the winds to blow. What is humidity? Humidity is the amount of water vapor present in the air. When water gets heated, it changes from liquid to gas, that is, from liquid water to water vapor and escapes into atmosphere. So, the amount of water vapor in the air is called humidity. As more water vapor evaporates and turns to water vapor, the humidity increases. Warm air can hold more water vapor than cold air. That is why we feel more humid and sweaty on a hotter day. Now, let's learn more about air. Air is all around us. It is a mixture of several gases. Air also contains water vapor and dust. Our earth is surrounded by a blanket of air called the atmosphere. We can feel air when it blows. Moving air is called wind. A gentle wind is called a breeze, whereas a strong wind is called a gale. Very strong winds are called storms. Storms that occur along with thunder and lightning are called thunderstorms. Wind affects the weather of a place. Do you want to get a feel of wind at different speeds? Come on, let's feel it. A gentle wind called as breeze. This is a strong wind called gale. And a very strong wind that causes damage called a storm. And a storm with thunder and lightning which is called as thunderstorm. Let's continue with sea breeze and land breeze in our next video. Till then, bye children.